So I need to replace some trim on the steering wheel on my E90 BMW, and in order to do that, you need to remove the airbag. And if you don't know the trick for doing that, it can be really difficult. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. There's two different kinds of steering wheels, and I'll show you the trick for both. And you'll see how to replace the trim if that's what you need to do, or maybe you just want to swap out your older steering wheel for a new one. In that case, you just take the bolts out and swap the steering wheel over. It's really easy. Let's get started. We are going to change out this plastic trim right here. You can see how it's all kind of tired and kind of faded and stuff. I've had a new one forever. Been meaning to do this. So we are going to replace it. See, it's going to be much better. In order to do that, we got to get the airbag out. First of all, I have the battery unplugged because you don't want to do this with the battery still plugged in. There's a chance you could discharge the airbag. And to do this, there's a little slot. There's kind of a depression on the steering wheel. You'll see it if you look on the side. I'll show it to you later. It's hard to move the camera right now, but you'll easily be able to see it. You need to take a screwdriver, and we're going to insert it this way. Not this way, but this way. Into the slot. See, I already lost the slot. Okay, so like this, and we're just gonna push, and that releases it, like that. Pretty cool. Let me find this side. Like that. I might have to plug that back in and do this side first. Yeah, okay, now that side's out. That's kind of interesting. It's like you get one side out and the other side doesn't want to come out. Maybe we need two at the same time, huh? Do two at the same time. Might need to be that way. So that it kind of comes out together. Okay, that's what we needed to do. All right, so the airbag actually unplugs. There's two things. The green one's on, let's see. So the green one is on the right. So you just push this down and get that out. Push this down and get that out. Now the airbag is safe and won't discharge on us. So boom, there we go like that. Now the thing in the back here is there's a bolt down here. It's a T20. So we're gonna unscrew that. So that one should be off. Okay, I feel that there's a bolt that I can access down here. And I might need to actually turn the steering wheel here to get at it. And I might not be able to do that without the battery hooked up. So I might need to go reconnect the battery, which I didn't want to do. But it's okay. We have a scan tool that will clear the code for the missing airbag, so I'm not too upset about it. Let me go reconnect the battery now. All right. So now we are unlocked. So there's our airbag light. So if you're going to do something like this, you're going to want to have a scan tool, or I guess, maybe leave the airbag plugged in and then get these bolts out first, and then you can take the airbag out. That's another way to do it. Kind of at a bad angle. Let's turn the wheels. Aha. I believe that's it. Yes, that is it. Now all we have to do is disconnect these and swap it over. Is that going to be a T20 as well? It is. Very nice. Okay, so that's actually relatively easy once you know how to do it. We're going to have two on each. Don't lose those bolts. Okay, there's a wire that's running down and along, so we have to sort of pull it out. Yeah, okay. Swap in our new one. So I'm obviously cutting into the plastic with these plastic screws. So you do want to make sure that they're going in straight, because you you're cutting into the plastic. Great. And those little fingers just connect up into there and there. We still have our 3 screws in place. It's super awkward to find the right angle on this bolt. Did I connect it to the wrong? I think I might have screwed that into the wrong thing, maybe. This one here, I'm gonna undo this and double check here. It's like that is supposed to go into there, but then where was that? I guess that was there. There's like no way, right? This has to be, oh yeah, that goes into that one. Oh no, okay, I'm right. Am I right? Oh, this one is the weird one. Okay, I'm super confused. I guess these bolts did go into this down here. Is the only explanation, right? I mean, I guess that must be what it was. It's really the only explanation I can see. I don't even know why we need this. Yeah, not sure why we needed those bottom bolts, but I guess we do. So let's make sure these will screw in. I guess it's sort of nice that I pre-cut the plastic, because now it's a little easier to screw this one in. So that's cool. I'm gonna do this one. Probably blocking you guys pretty heavily here. All right, let's say we're good. So I will unplug the battery, but let's review why this worked and what we were supposed to do. So right here. So you see where it's going, and you see how I'm pushing on this spring right here. So it's real easy once you understand the mechanism, but you have to stick the screwdriver in right there, and it's pushing the spring aside. And the same goes for this side. You are holding the screwdriver flat, and you are pushing the spring that way. So that's why you have to hold the screwdriver flat like that and not like this, because then it won't push on the spring. So flat like that, boom, and you're done. So obviously I already have the M Sport steering wheel, but if you have the regular steering wheel, this is how you would actually unlatch the latch. You stick the screwdriver in like this and you move it this way, and that's how you get it out. Okay, unplug the battery. Our battery is unplugged. We will plug these back in. They're color coded, so you can't mix them up, so that's great. So that goes in, and this one goes in as well. In and in, and then we just snap this back in. And that's it. That is our new trim on our steering wheel. Awesome. So I still have the airbag code, so I'm going to use the launch to reset the codes in the airbag system. And nope, not that one. Body. SRS. There it is. Cool. So, should be good to go now. Yep. Very good. All right, we're done with that. Well, that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm the 50s Kid. Thanks a lot for watching.